Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 3rd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday. So far, everybody has a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Tropical Storm Debby. In tonight's video, also we'll take a look at the National Weather Service Columbia, South Carolina weather radar, also the watch and warning advisory map currently, also the Storm Prediction Center rainfall totals across the southeast, and also we're going to take a look at the Weather Prediction Center of how much precipitation slash slight risk, marginal risk, moderate risk for rainfall. We'll be talking about that in tonight's video. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's go ahead and finish get the show up, because my last video I tried to do, it did not want to do like it's supposed to. But anyway, here is Cuba. Here's the southern Florida, tip of Florida, down toward the Florida Keys. Let's see if we can get to the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center. As you can see, here is the current position of the storm, located in the southern Gulf of Mexico, and there it remains a tropical storm through 2 a.m. A hurricane making landfall in the Big Bend area of Florida, and then there is the tropical storm going across southern Georgia, moves into the off the Georgia coast, then move back inland somewhere around the Charleston area, and kind of meanders across the Carolinas for a few days, which may bring some flash flooding and heavy rain to portions of the Carolinas and Georgia. So we'll have to monitor that as well. Alright, if you're plotting the system at home, it's located in latitude 23.9 north, longitude 83.2 west, maximum sustained winds in there 40 miles an hour with higher gusts, moving to the northwest at 15 miles per hour. Right now it's classified as tropical storm, winds of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Alright, let's take a look at the hurricane models. Alright, you can see here's the current position of the storm, well compacted all the way through the Big Bend area of Florida. Then it runs through southern Georgia, then it moves off the Carolina coast, and then makes landfall, like I said, around the Charleston area, and then slowly moves on off into North Carolina, and then later on up in towards the northeastern United States. So we'll continue to watch that as we get closer to the event. Alright, let's move on to the intensity guidance of the system. Right now it has about 30 knot winds equal to 40 miles per hour, which moves into a tropical storm. One of the models wants to keep it at a low-end hurricane. That's why the National Hurricane Center is going with a hurricane. And then the model drops it back off to a tropical depression later on down the road as it moves into the Carolinas, but supposed to remain a tropical storm for a while. Alright, let's move on to the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. This is currently, as you can see, we got a line of showers and storm sending from southeast North Carolina to the Sherrill area, to Florence and Darlington, the Sumter to Camden, to Orangeburg, all the way down towards Statesboro, Georgia. We have a few severe thunderstorm warnings with the polygons here. Across Orangeburg County up toward Florence and Darlington, and also in the portions of southeastern North Carolina, and also down across eastern Georgia. We have a flash flood warning across Georgia as well. Also we have a few scattered showers and storms up just north of the Greenville-Spartanburg area as well. Alright, watch and warning advisory map for your locating across the nation. Alright, you can see we have severe thunderstorm watches all the way from New York State down to the Carolina, with flash flood warnings there as well. Ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings also. Where's that hurricane, tropical storm force conditions down in the Gulf of Mexico, which will move into Florida. Heat advisory from Alabama to Texas. Same again from the Dakotas back to Montana, all the way back in Idaho, and also Washington, Oregon State. Down in portions of Utah and also into California, sets of heat warnings there as well. Red flag warnings up here in the Oregon and Idaho region, and also portions of Washington State. Air quality alerts across areas of Colorado. Alright, we have a small craft advisory along the coastal areas, stretching all the way from up here near Long Island down to Outer Banks of North Carolina, also across the Florida region, and then again from California all the way to Oregon State. Hawaii and Chain Island, we have some coastal flood advisories there, and also we have some small craft advisories around the coastal areas of Alaska. Also wind advisories there as well. Alright, Tropical Storm Debby, more update here. Here is the information. Alright, you can see we have about 1 to 2 inches in the lighter color, stretching from up here near Washington, D.C., all the way just past northwest of Charlotte in the upstate of South Carolina, south of Atlanta, down into the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the heavy precipitation, about 2 to 4 inches of rain expected around Charlotte, also down towards the southwestern Georgia area, just west of Tallahassee. We have a 4 to 6 inch swath through portions of southeast of Charlotte towards Columbia, all the way down into portions of Tallahassee. And then we have a swath of 8 to 16 to 20 inches of rain across from Charleston to Savannah, just northeast of Jacksonville, and also in the coastal waters there as well. Alright, we're going to wrap it up with here's the flood potential. As you can see, over the next 5 days, we have a slight risk over a portion of the northeast. We have a marginal risk elsewhere from Elkins to Roanoke to Richmond, all the way down toward Atlanta, down from Mobile and New Orleans, also from Orlando to Miami to Key West, Florida. We have a slight risk from Raleigh to Wilmington to Charlotte, Columbia, Augusta, all the way down to just west of Tallahassee. And we have a moderate risk for flooding from the Charleston area to Savannah to Jacksonville to near Tallahassee and surrounding areas. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday evening, folks, and we'll have more coming up on Debby in the next video.